It's 2019. What is the state of PHP? Is it growing? Is usage declining? Is it something you should even spend your time learning? Now, this is a topic of discussion all the time. Every single year, there's a conversation about whether or not PHP is a good language to learn. And this is my take on it. PHP is a great language to learn if you're looking to be a web developer. Now, why is that? Well, if you look at some of the sources online, PHP is used by over 80% of the websites you're going to find online. It's used by some of the biggest platforms like WordPress, Drupal, and Joomla that combined make up about 40% of modern day websites. And these platforms, they're growing on a yearly basis, which means that PHP is a great language to work with if you want to work with something like WordPress or something like Drupal or Joomla. Now, PHP is a server-side coding language. It helps you to create dynamic websites. It's been around for a while and it's been evolving over the years. It's a very fast coding language to work with. It's very easy to learn in comparison to some of the more complicated languages. And it's a language that has a significant amount of resources dedicated to teaching brand new web developers. You could pick up the syntax within a matter of a month or two, but that doesn't mean you're going to be an expert coder with PHP or any language for that matter. That takes time, and it goes into the logic behind the coding language. It goes into how you're going to utilize that language to solve problems, to create solutions, the decision-making process. But my mindset is that in 2019 and beyond, PHP is a great coding language. It works hand in hand with MySQL. It works hand in hand with JavaScript. It works hand in hand with HTML. It's specifically for back-end web development. It's not a general purpose coding language. It doesn't do a million different things. It's specific for one task, and that's to create dynamic websites with back-end development. So if you're trying to figure out if you should or shouldn't learn PHP, the answer is yes, learn it. Spend some time with it. Understand how it works. Some people are going to discourage you and say it's not a good language, the money's not there. But if you're looking to create a business, if you're looking to work for a company, most likely knowing PHP is going to be a plus. Because with 80% of the modern web using PHP, and with the big three CMSs like WordPress, Drupal, and Joomla using PHP, that means you're always going to have an opportunity out there. PHP is often compared to or compared against Python and JavaScript, especially since JavaScript now has node.js, which means that it could also handle server-side coding as well, not just the front end. But at the end of the day, it's about utilization, it's about usage, and the numbers show that PHP is here to stay. And if you're running into issues with speed, you're probably using an older version of PHP. So make sure your PHP installation is up to date. And I actually failed to mention that PHP is already installed on the vast majority of web servers out there. That's why it's so widely used as well. But make sure you update PHP and make sure you learn from some of the best resources. Some right here on YouTube, and I'll link to others as well down below. Alright, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that notification icon, leave your comments down below, check out some of my other videos, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.